Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change primary email address for Payoneer account. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in home page and then you see arrow, so click on it and then you see multiple detail. So click on setting, then you see multiple option and then you see profile setting, so again click on it. Now profile setting open and then you see name and email and then you see address. So we are going to change email address and then you see edit button, so click on it and then you see full name and then you see email used to sign in and to receive messages from us. Now you see this field is editable, so you can add your another email and then click on save and then go to that email to verify. So in this way you can change primary email address for Payoneer account. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.